Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Porsche Cayenne. This one will be, guys, what we'll be doing will apply to the first generation from years 2002 all the way until 2010. Now, if you're trying to find the fuse for your transmission, for the selector lever or anything like that related to transmission, guys, you have 3 fuses that you need to check. Stay with us and we're going to show you which ones. In the meantime guys, we will have more than 200 videos on this vehicle, so please guys, subscribe to the channel. Our goal is to save you as much money as we can by teaching you guys how to fix your car for free. Now, all electrical videos will be on this channel. The mechanical videos, okay, will be on our 2 channels, main channels, World Mechanics and Auto Repair, guys. Check them out, guys. Now, this is the transmission, selector lever switch, transmission module is in the car as well, so we'll show you guys, okay, which fuse, okay, you need to check for your transmission. Now, we need to go to the passenger side, okay, right here, and the fuses that we will need to check now, guys, okay, will be hidden behind the door here. Okay, we have one cover. Okay, let me explain. This cover needs to come out. With a plastic panel removal tool, we're going to pry that cap open. You have five clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 clips. The fuse numbers are located right here. The fuse that we need to check is on the 3rd row. 1, 2, 3. Fuse number 29. 3rd fuse from left to right. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this 10 amp fuse, this is a transmission fuse, guys. Okay, this is one of them. Ours is good. Now, another one, okay, that we have. Okay, we have 2 more, okay, that we need to check. Fuse number 51 and 52. 2 fuses, 51 and 52. So that will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th and 6th fuse on the bottom. So, counting the empty ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these 2 fuses, guys, those are for the transmission as well. So if you have problems with your transmission, check those out, or with the selector lever. So hopefully guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.